Alright, I'm cooking black-eyed peas today. I got just about a half a package of peas. I've rinsed them off with water. And I'm going to go over here and cover them with about 3 inches of water. We'll have to check them every now and then so they won't stick to the bottom. They'll need a little bit of stirring. Alright, I got my water in there. And I'm going to knock the bitter edge off with a little bit of light brown sugar. I'm going to get about a half a teaspoon level brown sugar and put in there. Set this out of my way. And I'll put some salt in there. I'll come in here with some black pepper. I'm going to come in here with a couple of shots of Worcestershire sauce. 1, 2. And then I'm going to come over here. I got 1 bell pepper and about 1/3 of a small onion. And that's going to make them taste really, really good. There's bound to be an easier way to get all these in here. Now these are going into a crock pot. What I'm going to do is take them over here and plug them in and get them all plugged in and just cook about 2.5 hours. I'll be back to show you what they look like and how they taste. Alrighty, here's these peas. They're all done. They cooked about 3 hours. Kind of dark down there with all those good old goodies in there. Ham supper, somewhat good. You can catch these peas and the recipe. Hey, how about if you can just catch a recipe of these peas on Kelly, K-E-L-L-Y, KellyCharlie.com, and there'll be a video at the bottom of that recipe. Until next time, y'all be good. Take care.